welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I am going to be sharing with you a recent mystery box that I picked up. And this one is from Gerard Cosmetics. I have actually never tried anything from the brand, so when I saw their mystery boxes, I thought it would be a perfect time to try something out and check out their products. So let's open her up and let's see what's inside. I actually got the small box. I think it was $39. So this is what it looks like when I open her up. And so this is just one of their little cards. And oh, okay, so here's the one that has the information on the boxes. And it looks like it's the GCLove boxes, and it's for their 5-year anniversary. So I got the $39 one that has a value of $110 minimum. Then they have a platinum box for $69 and a diamond box for $149. So, I mean, for $39, I figured that would be a great way to try them. And I mean, the value should be pretty good. So this is my little receipt. We're going to put that one to the side. Okay, so we're going to open up the black tissue paper. And then that's what it looks like inside. So the first thing that jumps up on me, it's the Gerard Cosmetics pop socket. I actually have one of the metal ones on my phone. I'm going to put this one aside. And I actually have like the ones that I received in my other mystery boxes too. So let's bring out the first product in here. Okay, so this is their Slay All Day setting spray. And I'm super thrilled that I got this in here because I've been dying to try their setting spray. So we're going to open it up. So this is what the actual product looks like. And mine's, let me see. So mine's comes in the scent Mango. And I'm so totally excited to try that, okay? I have like the coconut and rose and even one of the lavender ones from other brands. But I have never had a mango setting spray, so I'm totally thrilled for that. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. So this one is a lip pencil, and it's in the shade Bel Air. So that's the outer packaging, and we're going to open her up. So that is what the pencil looks like, and it looks like a really pretty nude, like a pinky nude. So let's take a look. Oh, it's really creamy. It is a really, really pretty pinky shade. Can we see it? Yeah, right there. So totally excited for that. I was looking through my collection the other day and I don't have a lot of lip pencils. Go figure. So totally thrilled for that one. Okay, so this one is a lipstick, and it's in the shade Lilac Moon. So it's one of their bullet lipsticks. Really pretty gold packaging. Okay, so this is the color of it. It is definitely a lilac, and I'm telling you guys now, that is not one of the shades that I normally wear. So I am going to put this aside, and I will put that into my big giveaway box that I have for you guys. So the other four, there's 4 more items in here. And, oh, okay, so it looks like they're actually all different. This one is the Color Your Smile Lip Gloss, so that's what that looks like. And this is in the shade Candy Apple. So, oh wow, that is a gorgeous red. And it's got a little mirror in the back. That is so cool. So we're going to open it up. And it's got a light inside. What? Look, it's got a little light. That is so cool. And it smells really good. Okay, and for a lip gloss, that is definitely super pigmented. That is beautiful. And I do like the way it smells. Okay, so I'm totally excited to try that. Okay, next one in here. This is a long wear Hydra Matte liquid lipstick. So that's what that looks like. And it is in the shade Serenity. So that's the packaging. And I will do a little swatch. And this one just smells like a regular liquid lipstick, and it's a really pretty pinky mauve shade. And it is that one right there. So really pretty. And I love a good liquid lipstick, so hopefully I will be a fan. Okay, two more stuff, you guys. Next one is a Supreme lip cream. So that's the outer packaging. And this is in the shade Wild Berry Tart. And that's what that looks like. And those are, you guys, these are like totally my colors. These are the colors that I would normally go for. This feels really good. I don't think it has a scent. Okay, so that's that one on the top right here. Again, it's really pretty mauve pinky shade. And then we have one last item. And this one is a Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick. That's the packaging. And this is in the shade Dream Weaver. So, oh, that looks really pretty. You can definitely see the metallic in there. This one doesn't have a scent either. I know, you guys. You know, when I open a lipstick, the first thing I do, you guys, is smell it. Because there are some lipsticks that I can't do, like super floral or that really Play-Doh-y lipstick scent. I can't stand those. I won't. I can't use them. I feel like I'm smelling it all day. And this is a gorgeous, like golden, this is like a rose gold kind of shade. It's this one up here. There we go. Okay, there we go. That is gorgeous. So overall, we got the lip pencil. We got one of the lip glosses, a lip cream, and the metal liquid lipstick. We got the Hydra Matte, the bullet lipstick, the setting spray, and the pop socket. So because I had never tried their products, I don't know their price ranges. So I'll go in online, I'll check the prices, and I'll put it down in the description box what my total value was. But for $39, I'm super excited to try all of this. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried their products? What are your favorites? And let me know if you guys picked up one of these boxes, which one you got and what you guys got. I did look at different unboxings, and it looks like everybody got like different shades and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys picked it up. And thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the little subscribe button. And towards the end of this month, I will have a little giveaway going on. And then I'm still saving items for the big giveaway. Hopefully that one will come around June. So stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that little bell. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.